Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the car and gathering tools so nothing interrupts the job. Remove the key and work with the window down to see mounting points. This reduces wind and glare. Pry off the small interior bezel behind the mirror using a trim tool. This exposes screws or a bolt. Once exposed, identify whether your Civic has electrical connectors for heated or power mirrors so you can disconnect them safely. Make sure to note screw sizes and connector locations before removing hardware. Next, disconnect the mirror wiring. Press the tab and pull straight to avoid bending pins. While supporting the mirror with one hand, loosen the mounting fasteners so the assembly does not fall and damage paint. If studs remain, guide the mirror out through the triangular opening while feeding the harness through. This prevents pinching. Once removed, compare the new assembly to the old one, verifying connector type and stud placement, because alignment differences can cause fitment problems when you install the replacement. To install, feed the harness through the door and align studs with holes. Hand start each nut to ensure correct thread engagement. Once all fasteners are snug, torque them evenly to avoid stress. Don't over-tighten. Reconnect electrical connectors until they click, then reseat the interior bezel. Once done, test mirror adjustment, power fold if equipped, and heater function. If the mirror vibrates or won't move, check for loose nuts or a pinched connector. Loosen, realign, and red-ighten, then retest until smooth operation is restored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.